Hi, I'm Haigh. Welcome to Ansible Motion. We're located in the R&D Centre in Haigh, just outside of Norwich, England, and it's here at our company headquarters that we design and build driver-in-the-loop simulators that are used by automotive companies and research organisations all around the world. In case you've never visited Ansible Motion, I'd like to provide a virtual tour of our offices and facilities. Our factory headquarters consists of a number of dedicated offices and laboratories, as well as fabrication, assembly and testing areas. We also have secure spaces for on-site customer visits, so confidential work can be carried out. Ansible Motion was established in 2009. We've been designing and building driver-in-the-loop simulators since day one. DIL has always been our central focus. We currently have about 40 employees and we're continuously growing. About 70% of our staff is technical, degreed and experienced in various scientific and engineering disciplines. Beyond our engineering and design offices, driver-in-the-loop simulators come to life in our fabrication, assembly and testing areas. Subsystems are specified, built and then inventoried to particular projects. Then there's the matter of performing bench tests and calibrations. One of our hallmarks is fine attention to detail, and this is where it all begins. When a simulator project reaches a certain stage, we enter into a final assembly room where we can complete the build and then operate the entire system in a turnkey sense. All of our simulators undergo rigorous factory testing before they are shipped out to customer sites. We want to make sure every detail is correct and that all performance specifications are met or exceeded. I'm speaking to you right now from our Factory Research and Development Centre, which serves three main purposes. Firstly, this is where we sort out many final product development details for our new simulators. Second, this is an ideal setting for hosting product demonstrations. In some cases, it functions like a showroom, a place where potential customers can visit and better understand our simulators. In other cases, customers are able to book time here and use this space to conduct the experiments just as they would in their own driving simulator labs. Thirdly, our application and support teams use our R&D Centre for field support work. For example, if an existing customer needs technical support, we can often replicate their case here and then exchange ideas and data in real time in a live support session. I hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour of Ansible Motion. There's much more to see, of course, but hopefully this gives you some sense of what it's like to be here. If you have any interest in arranging an in-person visit or demonstration, please see the request form on our website. We look forward to meeting you.